Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of mine, and this is Paint Nails with me or nail show. Here we basically just paint our nails and chat, so grab your favorite nail polish. This is the one that I have chosen. It's by Essie and it's called Cute as a Button. This used to be my all-time favorite nail polish back in the day, like maybe 2 or 3 years ago. I used to be obsessed with this color. I always used to paint my nails with it. I don't know why, because now I'm gravitating towards natural colors like neutrals, but back in the day I was obsessed with this color. I remember it clear as a day. And I do love this nail polish so much. It only takes 2 coats. It's very pretty. It's something that looks nice on short or long nails. It doesn't really matter. So I'm pleased with it. But I wanted to talk with you guys about starting nail art for beginners. And that would be very easy, extremely easy nail art that you can do at home for someone who is getting into nail art and nail polishes like I used to. Honestly, I didn't used to be this good at nail art and nail polishes back in the day, so I just really wanted to create something that is going to be for someone who would be like me when I was younger and watching this. So let me know if you're interested for nail art for beginners. And also, I'm so excited. We are almost at 18K and I'm so thankful that you guys are here. I hope we create awesome community within I'm Girl You Don't Know, which is my channel, and I want to make it ours and just kind of connect, which is something that's one of my goals. And I do hope that you guys enjoy my content. I will talk with you in my other video. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. And also, there is so many tips and tricks when it comes to nails on my channel, so check it out if you're interested, and I will see you soon. Bye!